Hi, I'm Gary, and I just got here. Today you're getting a recorded video because I left my settings messed up, and so I decided I would just set it up to record, and we'll shoot the video because I'm running out of daylight. Sun's going down, so I better fly and better get it recorded. If you guys like my videos, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and leave some great comments. I'm flying the Viper today, so let's get to it. Going to try to take off from this gravel here. This is where those guys that fly the paramotors, they're always flying from this location. But I think I got a pretty decent shot. I can go forever that way, and that building's pretty far down there. I don't think I'll reach it, but I think I can do it here. Yeah, she's in the air. The wheels are up. I'm still at one click on the flaps. I gave it a little bit of up trim because it's diving on me a little bit. I do have the big 4500 milliamp 6S Ovonic battery in there. I came over here because the church was busy. There was a bunch of cars in the parking lot, so I drove on over here. I'm using my regular recorder on my phone, so hopefully the video turns out all right. It feels like I'm in a little bit wider, more wide open, so it feels like I got more room. Feels nice. There's just a light breeze coming from behind me. It's still going down a little bit. Trying to line it up for a straight across here. Yeah, that is so awesome how fast this thing can go. So even though I'm not flying live, you guys will see the video uncut. Yeah, this thing handles just amazing. It does take up a lot of real estate. I'll slow it down a little bit. We'll get it turned around, make the pass from the other direction. If I can get it lined up, here we go. Woohoo! And straight up into the sky. Here we go. Woo, yeah. Super cool. Really nice roll. The radio's getting ready to tell me the 4 minutes are up. That's no flaps, so I can slow it down pretty decent, even without the flaps down. But we'll drop the flaps. There's one click. I seen it hop up just a little bit. Now I got the landing gear down. And we'll get it straightened out. Go to full flaps. Here we go. Perfect. That was a beautiful landing. Now this gravel doesn't drive too well, so I'll go pick it up. And I don't know how to reverse the camera, guys, so flip it around. Hopefully you guys can see me all right. Had a great time flying the Viper today. If you guys like these videos, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll get everything set up so it's live tomorrow. I do apologize for releasing a recorded video. I just knew if I ran home to fix the settings, because I have to do it from my computer, that it would be too dark to come back out and fly these jets. Just having so much fun flying the jets, and I was busy working around the house this morning, or I would have been out earlier and I probably would have caught all this. And we'll have it figured out by tomorrow morning. Probably flying to Mamba again tomorrow morning. And until then, until tomorrow, I'm Gary, and I just got here.